welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a long time.
But I'm back, okay? I know I said that many times before as well, but I'm back for real, okay? I promise. Okay?
So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. Yes, this one right here. So if this is something that interests you, if you're curious, just want to watch me, then go ahead. Don't click out of the video. But yeah, no, for real. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and just leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. You know, we're still in 2020, still in the pandemic, still in the craziness. So let me know how you're doing, guys. And without further ado, let's just jump right into the makeup tutorial. Okay, so I know it's been like a really long time since I filmed for you guys. I'm just trying to get set up here, real life. Okay, so I know it's been like a really long time since I actually sat down and filmed a makeup tutorial, and to the people who have been following me and stuck by me and still are following me, I just want to say thank you. Nothing is wrong, it's just life gets in the way, and I, as a mom, I tend to put my kids first, and I just get caught up. I don't want to sound like in a negative way. I just get caught up with things with them that I just push myself away. So, you know, don't get me wrong, I do love making YouTube videos. I love creating makeup tutorials, makeup looks. I love being creative. I like, you know, interacting with you guys. It's just, I let things get in the way, and I just, like I said, I push myself to the side. So, for the last time, I'm going to tell you guys that I am going to be consistent. I am going to keep on with my YouTube channel because I do love this, and I'm not going to stop. For the last time, I'm going to tell you guys, because I keep telling you guys that, and then I'll do good, and then I'll stop, you know, uploading for like a month or two. You know, so there's no more excuses. I'm promising you guys, I'm promising myself, which is the most important person that I need to promise myself. I'm promising myself that I'm just going to stay on track, and that's it. I'm just going to prove myself that I can do that. So anyways, today's video, as you can see, is going to be on this look, which is uncompleted right now, by the way. Yeah, but we're just going to do this, which in a sense, I guess you can say it's kind of simple. Not really, but yeah, it's basically using like two palettes and then something for the orange neon, but it's really simple. So we're just gonna dive into it. My eyebrow is semi-completed. My face is greasy because that's not, you know, there's nothing on there. My eye is primed. I put some concealer and just an eyeshadow over it, really basic. So to start this look off, we're going to use the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. So that's what it looks like right here. And this is the inside. Super beautiful. I love it. This is basically like the only palette we're going to use in a sense. We're going to use one more, but just for the brow highlight. But this is she right here. So I'm telling you, I'm kind of unorganized. So to start off, we're going to go into the yellow right there. And I'm going to take this Wet n Wild blending brush. And I'm just going to tap into the brush. And I'm just going to apply this right in that crease, okay? And I'm just going to keep using circular motions and windshield wiper motions at the same time, holding my brush at the end. And like I always say, I like to hold my brush at the end because it gives me a little bit more control, and it applies the color a little bit more lighter, which makes it easier to blend, as opposed to holding it here like a pencil. That's just when you want the color to be really dark. But I just want to slowly, gradually build this up. So I just feel like 2020 overall has just been like a crazy year. Like, there's just no words. Like, this year just has been out of control. Like, I feel like for New Year's, let's just be quiet and not say Happy New Year's, not give each other a hug or a kiss or anything like that. It's just, you know, hold on to the chair and just be ready, because I don't know what's going to happen anymore. Although 2020 has been a very bad year, I guess you can say. I mean, the reason I go like this is because I'm still alive, you're still alive, because you're watching this, right? You're still alive, so just be positive and be grateful of that. You know, we did lose many people along the way this year, but we do have to keep our head held high, and we do have to keep on pushing regardless. You know, anxiety, mental depression, you know, all those things are real. So we just need to be strong for each other. We need to be kind to one another. That's never going to happen, but we do. You know, we really do. And, you know, again, like I said, the bad things of this year has brought a lot of good things, like being able to spend more time with family and things like that. So, you know, just kind of look at the brighter side to it, if you will, as much as you can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the orange here, and I'm going to use this VH Cosmetic blending brush. This is the V5 blending brush. It's a little bit more tapered, so let me show you. So a little comparison, it's just a slight bit more tapered, not drastically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that orange and I'm going to apply it right in the crease, and just go ahead, circular motions, and just keep going back and forth until I build it up and it's covering that crease. Okay, so now you can see that I've built up the orange. You could build it up as far as you want to go, as deep as you want to go, as bright as you want to go, whatever you want to call it. You could just add more as you go. It just depends on your liking. I'm going to bring in a little bit more here. So about just like that. Now what I'm going to do is a little trick. I'm going to take this, this is the Pixi Hydrating Milky Makeup Remover. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, it's separated, so you do want to shake it. And I do have a like dirty shirt here. Well, it's not dirty, but I use it for my makeup, you know what I mean. So what I like to do is you just basically have to like use the pump, and then the product will come out on top. So I'm going to take this small Wet n Wild brush. It's like a little dome. Just cleans the crease really nice and precise for you. You can use a Q-tip, you can use concealer, you can use a baby wipe, whatever you desire, but I think this is so much easier. And then I'm just going to take it, and then just to clean out the brush, I'm cleaning it right on the shirt. And then after that, you want to just set it. So whatever setting powder you have, or like translucent powder, or even an eyeshadow. So you can see I'm using like almost like a light brown eyeshadow, almost like beige. So I'm just applying that. And the first color that I'm going to grab is this one down here. This is like a rose gold color. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to apply it in the inner 1/3. Then I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to take this color right here, which is like a minty turquoise color. So I'm going to take that, and we're going to apply this to the outer corner and bring it inwards. My brush is big, but if you feel more comfortable with the smaller brush, then definitely do that. I just feel a little bit more comfortable with the bigger brush, so that's why I'm using the bigger brush. And then don't worry about the outer corner, because you can always fix that later. And I'm going to bring it a little bit inwards to that rose gold. Okay, and once they connect, I'm going to flip the brush over. So this side of the brush has really nothing on it as opposed to that side. So I'm going to take this side, the clean side, and I'm going to take the belly of the brush, and I'm just going to pat it right where the two colors meet. So that's just going to help them blend in together without there being a harsh line of demarcation. Then you could go back into the rose gold, okay, and you want to just kind of overpass the blue-green color. So like that. See how I'm like kind of going on top of it? That's what you want. And then you go back with no extra product on the brush. I'm just using whatever is on the brush. Okay, and then I flip it over to the belly, the clean side, and just kind of mix them again. And you just keep doing this till you have both of them looking alike. Okay, this one I did about an hour ago, and then I ate dinner, so I'm just trying to make them look as even as possible. So I'm thinking like liner. I was gonna review this product. I don't know if you guys want me to, but this product right here, I got it off of Amazon. So this is basically for like face painting, and like you can use it in your hair and stuff like that. So it typically isn't advised to use on the eyes, but use at your own risk. But if you guys want me to do like a review on this alone, as far as like swatches and like show you how to kind of work it, then let me know in the comments down below, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. But just for the sake of the video, I'm not really going to show you how to use it, just in case you guys do want to see that. Basically, they're water activated, so you just got to wet your brush and dip and you go. So yeah, if you guys want to see a more like in-depth on how to use that, then just, you know, let me know in the comment section and I got you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the makeup remover from Pixi, and I'm just going to sharpen up these edges here and clean up this side. So the lashes were giving me a hard time. What I did was I went ahead and went in with this like teal color. This one is matte, so this one has no shimmer, and I just applied that to the lower lash line. That's optional, you don't have to do that. I just wanted to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to this eye. For the brow highlight, this again is optional. You can use any brow highlight you want. I went ahead with the Festival palette by Juvia's. It matches my shirt, which is that white shimmer. So I use that to highlight my brow bone. So just very little bit because it is very pigmented. Obviously, makeup is just about being creative and doing what you like and what you think works and what doesn't work. So it's all up to you. So for my highlight, I'm going to take the same color that I used in the inner corner, and I'm going to apply that to the highlight. So what I did was I just put a little bit of concealer on, some setting powder so it doesn't crease, and that's it. There's no bronzer, no nothing. I'm just not in the mood right now, so we're just going to skip that. So like I said, I'm just going to take a little fluffy blending brush. I'm going to go right into that white color. I'm going to apply that to the high points of my cheekbones. So just like that, you can see it's very pigmented. Okay. I'm going to apply some to the tip of the nose, Cupid's bow. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this color down here, and it's a gold. So I'm going to apply that right on top, and that's just going to warm it up a little bit. Not too crazy. I actually like my highlight to be very potent, especially for like pictures with a lot of lighting, which I have, because it just helps it stand out. Now, going out, I wouldn't necessarily put highlight like this on, but as far as the eye look, I would, but the highlight, not so much. Okay, and then for the lips, I'm going to use something that I haven't used in a while. I'm not going to line my lips. I'm going to use this liquid lipstick. This is from the Modern Metals collection from e.l.f. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the glitter gloss from the same collection. It looks just like this, and I'm just gonna apply that. So like this. And just like that, that completes this makeup look. So I think it's really simple, but still like a bold statement. I'm just ready for fall, if you can't tell by these colors. Like, I'm ready for fall. So can fall just hurry up. This completes this look. I hope you guys like it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And for those of you who have continued to stay subscribed, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate every single one of you. And you already know what I said in the beginning of the video, so I'm not going to repeat myself. You already know what I said. So, yeah. So, again, this completes this video, guys. You know, stick with me, rock with me. You know, like I said, let me know if you want a review on the neon palette. Let me know any future videos you want from me. Let me know. And I got you.